Loading paper and printing the alignment page in the HP Ink Tank 310, Ink Tank Wireless 410, and Smart Tank Wireless 450 series. Pull out the input tray and slide the paper width guide out. Load plain white paper and adjust the guide so it touches the edge of the paper. Pull out the output tray and extender. When you see the blinking P on the printer's control panel, press the resume button for 3 seconds. Once a blinking letter A appears, the printer will calibrate and print an alignment page. An alignment page is necessary to complete setting up your printer. An alignment page prints. Place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass in the lower right corner. Close the scanner lid, then press the Start Color Copy button to complete the alignment. Once the alignment is complete, the printer begins priming. The printer must remain on for 45 minutes until the priming process is complete. While the printer is priming, you can print, scan, copy, install the printer software, or connect your printer to your wireless network if available.